got you all gassed up. Yeah. Changing your opinion on me.
Alright, so we got this 1993 Honda CB250 Nighthawk. My wife has a motorcycle license, but it's been a long time since she's ridden. So we got something to see if we can restore just for her to practice on, maybe ride around the neighborhood if she gets comfortable again. We started tearing down the bike. Whole lot of work to do, but here's what we've done so far. So far we took the gas tank off, as you can see right here. We got a new battery, haven't installed it yet. We haven't even seen if it runs yet. So the first thing, that gas tank was real rusty. We let it soak in vinegar for a few days, cleaned it out. It looks pretty good. Took off this back tail light and rear tire cover. As you can see, the wheels, they got a bunch of rust on them. That tire's gonna need new tires, possibly new rims. So we took that off, took the seat off. The seat is garbage. I haven't thrown it away yet, but that's not going back. We're gonna get a cafe racer style seat or maybe a bobber style seat. Try to clean up as much as we can. I got this Motul chain cleaner and chain lube. I did do one section. It looks pretty good. If it comes out okay, then we'll leave it be for now. But if not, we'll probably end up getting a new chain as well. I'm gonna end up taking that engine off and cleaning it up. Take this exhaust off. I might do this exhaust right now. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do today. Take that front fender off. You can see the lights are falling apart, so I'm gonna order some new turn signals. Depending on what we do with the back, that's when we'll decide what we're doing with the rear lights. But I am gonna buy these turn signals that I saw off of Amazon now. Thinking about painting the tank, but I don't know what color yet. I guess it all depends on what my wife wants. So this is what we got so far. Took off the tank, cleaned it, took off the seat, took off that rear fender slash tail light. Got the wiring exposed. Take off this air box and everything, and try to clean this chain. Take off this exhaust. I don't know if we're gonna get new exhaust yet. Again, I want to make sure it runs first. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take it off. You can use 000 or 0000 steel wool. That gets rust off things. You know, people use different things, evapor rust or WD-40 or lubricant. Right now, I just hit the back tire with some penetrating lube, and I'm gonna just do a test on it to see if it cleans up or not. So come around here. We're gonna spray that on there, let it sit. See if it'll break up any of this rust. The front tire is crazy. The back tire, not so much. We'll let that sit on there for a minute, hit it with the 000 steel wool, and see if it helps. If not, we'll reevaluate from there. Right now, I'm gonna take off this exhaust though.
Yeah. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Give it to me now.
Getting the exhaust off is relatively simple, very simple actually. It's just 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. You get those off and you should be able to drop everything down for the most part. I gotta take the foot pegs off, and I see what's going on the other side as well.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. When I wanna, you make it so good. I don't wanna leave, but I gotta know what's your fantasy.
I wanna get you in the Georgia Dome on a 50-yard line while the dirty birds kick the tree. And if you like it in the club, we can do it in the DJ booth or in the back of the VIP. Whipped cream with cherries and strawberries on top. Lick it, don't stop. You can door lock, don't knock. While the boat rock, we go bots and robots, so they gotta wait till the show stops. Or how about on the beach with black sand? Lick up your thigh and call me the Pac-Man. Tabletop and just give me the lap dance. The rock to the park to the point to the flatland. That man ain't ludicrous. Woo! In the public bathroom or in the back of the classroom. However you want it. Lover gon' tap that ass on. See, I cast them and I.
Alright, once you get that out, you got 2 little washers and stuff in here. They're gonna fall out once I take the other side out. You don't wanna lose those.
Tell me what they plan to see, like up on the roof. Tell your boyfriend not to be mad at me. I wanna lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. And I wanna, you make it so good, I don't wanna leave you, but I gotta know what's your fancy.
I wanna lick you from your head to your toes. And I wanna move from the bed down to the floor. When I wanna, you make it so good, I don't wanna leave.
Stud might have came out, yeah. This whole stud is coming out, so if that happens to you, again, don't lose it. See the whole stud here? It's a little bit rusty, I'll clean that up. Those washers I was telling you about, this one's pretty rusty. We'll take care of that or get some new ones. Alright, looks like this one's going to be a 14. Get these foot pegs off. Keep all this bolt and the nut that goes through on the back side. Once I get this foot peg off, the other side should come out. When you're doing this type of stuff, make sure you keep your bolts and nuts in a box or something. Right now I'm not doing that. I will. Let me get this on the side. Alright, so that should break everything free. Just go to the front and mess around with it. Rusty. I think this is savable though. We'll clean this up. This is savable, but we'll clean this up. Might get some new mufflers or something. Probably wrap it with some of that heat tape and go from there. Make sure you get all them parts and hold on to them. Put them where they're supposed to go. A lot of times, if you look right here, a lot of times what I like to do is put them back in place where they went. So that chain guard that I took off, these are the screws for that.
We had the type of nights when one comes too soon. Nothing to say. Watch me. Yeah. We had the type of nights when one comes too soon. Nothing to say. Me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping all I used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long, probably put me in the past. I can still get you wet and I can still make you laugh. You should call in to work if that ain't too much to ask. I could pour you up a drink and we could burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get up and come through, come through. Come through, come through, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do, so get up and come through. Yeah. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on, but who the fuck can focus with this working going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, ain't different, you know. Last door, need you back in my life, girl. You know you got that thing that I like, girl. You got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late?